Hey, what's up guys? Tim Langhauser here, Compass Home Group, coming at you from our newest listing, 1318 Cooptown Road, right here in beautiful Forest Hill. This home has over 3,700 square feet of finished space, 4 bedrooms, 2 full, 2 half baths, sitting on 2.5 beautiful acres, screened-in deck off the back, so much home to offer. Let's take a look inside and I'll see you back in a minute. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out 1318 Cooptown Road right here in Forest Hill. To schedule your private tour of this beautiful home, give us a call at 443-360-0086.